Get ready because Fujifilm is about to change the game for APS-C shooters everywhere. The X-T6 is coming, and this isn't shaping up to be a small update. It's shaping up to be the biggest leap this series has ever taken. A completely new sensor, a smarter autofocus system, video power that puts it in a different league. This camera is being built to make every X-T5 owner think twice and every APS-C shooter pay attention. So if you've been holding off on your next camera, this is the one you've been waiting for. Before we break down everything coming your way, hit that like button, subscribe if you're new here, and share this with someone who needs to see it. At the heart of the X-T6 is expected to be a brand new 40-megapixel APS-C X trans sensor, and this isn't just a resolution bump. It's rumored to feature a partially stacked design. That means faster sensor readout, dramatically reduced rolling shutter, and the kind of responsiveness that lets photographers shoot fast-moving subjects without worrying about distortion or lag. Paired with this new sensor is Fujifilm's next-generation X Processor 6, a chip built to handle faster image processing, smarter AI-based autofocus calculations, sharper subject recognition, and an overall boost in system performance. Together, this sensor and processor combination is shaping up to be the biggest internal upgrade in XT series history, giving photographers and hybrid shooters the kind of speed and image quality that used to be reserved for full-frame cameras. Autofocus has always been the one area where Fujifilm cameras face the most criticism, and it looks like the X-T6 is being built to put that conversation to rest for good. Reports suggest a completely redesigned AI autofocus system, one that brings major improvements to eye detection, face tracking, and subject recognition across the board. Animal detection, bird tracking, and vehicle recognition are all expected to be part of the package, giving photographers the confidence to shoot wildlife, sports, and fast action without second-guessing whether the camera will keep up. This isn't just a minor tracking update either. It's shaping up to be one of the most significant autofocus improvements Fujifilm has ever brought to the X-T line in both photography and video, finally closing the gap with the competition. Video shooters have a lot to be excited about with the X-T6, because this camera is rumored to bring one of the biggest video upgrades the series has ever seen. Internal 8K recording is on the table, along with oversampled 4K footage that promises sharper, more detailed video straight out of the camera. Internal 10-bit recording is also expected, giving creators far more flexibility in color grading and post-production. And for those who need even more control, external RAW output is rumored to be part of the package as well. Fujifilm also appears to be addressing one of the biggest complaints hybrid shooters have had with previous models, overheating, with improved heat management expected to allow for longer recording sessions without the camera shutting down. If these capabilities hold up, the X-T6 could become one of the most serious video tools in the APS-C category. One of the most exciting features rumored for the X-T6 is a 200-megapixel pixel shift multi-shot mode, and this alone could set it apart from almost everything else in the APS-C space. This mode works by combining multiple shots into a single ultra-high-resolution image, giving photographers the kind of detail normally associated with medium-format cameras. For landscape photographers, architecture shooters, and anyone working in studio or commercial photography, this feature could be a massive advantage, allowing for large prints, extensive cropping, and fine detail retention that a standard 40-megapixel file simply can't match. If Fujifilm delivers on this, the X-T6 wouldn't just be competing with other APS-C cameras, it would be stepping into territory usually reserved for much more expensive systems. Stability is another area where the X-T6 is rumored to take a major step forward, with reports pointing to up to 8 stops of in-body image stabilization. That's a significant jump, and it means smoother handheld photography in low light, along with noticeably more stable footage for video shooters who don't always have access to a gimbal or tripod. This kind of stabilization could make a real difference for run-and-gun shooters and anyone working solo without a full support crew. On top of that, battery efficiency is also expected to improve thanks to the new processor doing more work while consuming less power, meaning longer shooting sessions without needing to carry around a bag full of spare batteries, all without significantly changing the size or weight of the camera itself. When it comes to design, Fujifilm looks like it's staying true to what made the X-T series so beloved in the first place. The X-T6 is expected to keep that classic retro-inspired body, complete with dedicated exposure dials that give photographers tactile, direct control instead of digging through menus. Weather sealing is also expected to carry over, making it a reliable option for shooting in tougher outdoor conditions, alongside subtle ergonomic refinements that should make the camera feel even more comfortable in hand. But there's one change that has the community split right down the middle. Rumors suggest Fujifilm may be moving away from the traditional three-way tilting screen in favor of a fully articulating display. For some creators, especially vloggers and video-first shooters, this would be a welcome upgrade. But for a lot of longtime X-T users who prefer the classic tilt mechanism for stills work, this is shaping up to be one of the most debated changes on the entire camera. Fujifilm's biggest strength has always been its color science, and the X-T6 looks like it's building on that legacy with a brand new film simulation mode. For a brand that built its entire reputation on giving photographers gorgeous, ready-to-share images straight out of the camera, this is a big deal. Alongside the new simulation, Fujifilm is also expected to bring improvements to its JPEG processing engine, refining color accuracy, tonal rendering, and overall output quality even further. For photographers who shoot JPEG first or rely heavily on Fujifilm's signature looks to define their style, these upgrades could mean spending even less time editing and more time actually shooting, all while getting that unmistakable Fujifilm color straight out of the box. So the big question everyone wants answered, when is this camera actually landing and what will it cost? All signs are pointing toward a release around September 2026, putting the X-T6 on track to be one of the standout camera launches of the year. As for pricing, Fujifilm has historically positioned its X-T flagship models as premium APS-C options, and with this level of upgrade across sensor, processor, and video, expectations are that the X-T6 will land at a similar or slightly higher price point than its predecessor. Nothing is locked in yet, but if Fujifilm follows its usual pattern, this will be priced to compete directly with other high-end APS-C and even some full-frame entry-level cameras, making it a serious investment for anyone ready to upgrade. So who should actually be excited about this camera, and who should hold off? If you're a hybrid creator who shoots both photo and video seriously, this camera is shaping up to be built exactly for you. The combination of high resolution, strong autofocus, and serious video specs makes it one of the most well-rounded options in its class. Landscape, architecture, and commercial photographers should also be paying close attention, especially with that 200-megapixel pixel shift mode offering a level of detail that's hard to find outside of medium format systems. Travel and street photographers who want a compact APS-C body without sacrificing performance are another group this camera seems designed for. Now, if you already own an X-T5 and mainly shoot stills in good lighting conditions, you might not feel the need to rush. Your current camera is still more than capable. But if autofocus reliability, video performance, or ultra-high resolution work matter to you, the X-T6 is shaping up to be worth the wait. Put it all together, and the Fujifilm X-T6 is shaping up to be one of the most important cameras this brand has ever released. A new sensor, smarter autofocus, serious video power, ultra-high resolution imaging, better stabilization, and that unmistakable Fujifilm color science, all wrapped inside the design language fans have loved for years. If everything coming together is accurate, this could easily become Fujifilm's most advanced APS-C camera to date, and one of the strongest competitors in the entire mirrorless market. So get ready, because it looks like Fujifilm is about to give APS-C shooters everywhere a reason to get excited all over again.